Hi. Now we are discussing the aggregators in Oracle. So we are having aggregators minimum, maximum, sum, average, count. We see one by one with the our employees table in the HR schema. So how it will works? Let's see one by one. Okay. Go for the Oracle. You see here. So if I want to get the maximum salary from employees, so before going to that, we go for the select star from employees. So we know the structure of this employees table. In the employees table, we are having employee ID, first name, last names, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission PCT, manager ID, department ID. These are the fields we are having. I want to know. I want to know the maximum salary of employee. So here I want to know a maximum salary of employee. We go with this command is called as select max of salary. Salary is the field name from employees. Employee is the table name. Let's see here. So max salary here 17,000. So I want to know the minimum salary of employees. Select minimum salary from employees. Let's go here. So minimum salary is 670. Okay. We go here. We see select star from employees. Okay. I want to know the sum of salaries of employee. How much the salary sum is having all the employees. We go with the single command. So this is aggregator transformation. Aggregator means which gives a single value. Aggregator will gives always a single value. Select sum of salary from employees. We go with here. We are having 6,71,606 rupees. Sorry, anything rupees or dollars. So that my salary is for all the employees. I want to know the count of salary from employees. How much the count is there. I need to know. We go with the select count salary from employees. Total we are having 107 records. So everyone has a salary. So it's giving count of salary is 107. I want to know the average salary from employees. We go with the AVG. Select AVG salary from employees means which gives the average salary of the all the 107 employees. It gives the average salary is 6,276.691. This is the average salary. So we cannot select non-aggregate columns with aggregate columns here. If suppose we see here select first name maximum salary from employees. So this is a non-aggregate column. Here first name is a non-aggregate column which is an aggregate column. So we cannot find with the non-aggregate column with the aggregate column we see here which gives an error means not a single group or functions. We go with the aggregate columns. So if suppose I am giving here like this, what will happen? Let's see. Select first name, max of salary from employees, group by first name. So we are getting here maximum of salary with the first name. The Nancy is 12. So we are having total 92 means the name repetitions will be will not be considered here. We are having with the first name and maximum salary of that employees we are getting here. So if suppose we are going with the select department ID and maximum salary from employees group by department ID. Let's see here what will happen. So it gives the maximum salary of each individual department. The 100 department is having maximum salary is this one, and 30 department is having this one. So this department is not having 7,000 means manager. So like that we are having 11 departments. In that 11 departments we are getting the maximum salary. So whenever we want to use vice keyword, use group by. So filter condition on resultant of group class, we have used having clause. Having clause is always come with the group by plus having. Like that is, if suppose we go here, select department id, sum of salaries from employees, group by department id, means which gives the group by, and having salary who is having 5000, salaries who is having 5000 with the department id. I know that I want to know the information of those department id. We go with this command is called select department id, sum of salary with all the department IDs, salaries we are going here, summation from employees, group by department ID. We are getting the group by department ID and having sum of salary is greater than 50,000. Let's see here. Here the salaries, if suppose we'll see one by one, we know clear idea. Here we are getting the sum of salaries of each one individual department. Here I am giving the condition who is having the sum of salaries is greater than 50,000. It gives the results. These department IDs are having more than 50,000. Let's see here. Select first underscore name maximum salary from employees. So which gives an error, I think, which gives not a single group or group function, because the first name is a single record, not a group record. And also whenever we are doing this one, we have to go with the group by. We have to go with the group by. If suppose we go with like this, we go with like this, we get the results here. We get the total result here, but the first name is having only one some fellows, so that's why we are getting some it's a wrong logic, but it gives the results. So I want to get the here we see this is very interesting. Select department ID, sum of salaries from employees, where department ID is not null. So department ID is not null means the manager is will not come here. Group by department ID having sum of salaries greater than 5,000, where order by one, means we are getting all the order by we are getting what is the first column here. Here department id, this is the one we are getting. This is in the ascending order 50, 80, 100. If suppose I'm not giving this one, what will happen? Let's see here. It getting 100, 50, 80, means the department id is a row, column is one na? So I want to, which is in order format, we go with the order by one or order by department id. That's our wish. It gives a 50, 80, and 100. So here we see one by one. If suppose I am not giving this is not null, what happened? Let's see. Is null. We go with the is null. Then see, we're getting not any no records here. Giving not null and having salary is less than 50,000. Who is any department is having salary less than 50,000? So these are the departments we are having salaries less than 50,000 of sum of salaries. So here the order of the keyword in an oracle statement, we are having first we are having from, then we go with the where, and then again we go with the group by and having, and then order by. So order by use the in fifth position. This is the rule we have to follow. First we have to give the from, select department ID, sum of salaries from employees, where department id is not null. Group by, where what we are grouping, department id we are grouping. Having sum of salary is greater than 5,000 and order by one. Like this we go. Here we see one more exercise. Here we are doing here uh, combining two tables, joins we are doing. Let's see here. Select E dot department id, D dot department name, comma sum of salaries from employee E and department D. So E is an alias, means E is an object of the employees. With the employee department ID I am retrieving, as well as department name retrieving. I am doing the sum of salaries in the employee. E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. If both are equal, then and E dot department ID is not null. Group by E dot department ID, comma D dot department name. We are doing the group and having the salary is 5,000, 50,000 greater than 50,000, order by 1. So we are getting this information 50, 80 and this one. Okay, sum of salary and department name we are retrieving here. Select department where more than 30 employees are working. So same department 30 employees are working means, so we go here EDA department ID and EDA department name count star. We are getting the count star, means count of the department employees. From employees E inner join with the departments D on which condition we are going, we have to compare that EDA department ID with the DDA department ID. Group by EDA department ID as well as DDA department name, having the count star is greater than 30. Who is more than 30 employees are there. We have to get retrieve the information of those candidates. We go like this. So shipping is having 45 employees, sales is having 34 employees. Okay, like this we are retrieving. And another is there. We know we want to know the country wise employee count. So here we go like this. Country means if the country is there in here in the country is having, in countries C, we are having department, we are having four tables, we have to join here, that is E employees and departments D and location L, country C, where EDA department ID, employee department ID match with the DDA department ID and match with the D means departments location ID is match with the locations ID, and the locations country ID should match with the countries ID. Then we group by, which we have to group by the country ID of locations as well as C dot country name. Then we retrieve the country wise employee count. We see here UK, United Kingdoms having 35 employees, 2 and 1 and 68. Like that we are retrieving the country wise information. Okay, this is regarding about aggregation with joins. And please subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you very much.